Hello. Have you ever thought about how there are a lot of useless energy conversion machines? Well, today I'm going to be using the byproduct of these contraptions and converting electricity into noise, heat, and most importantly, rotational energy. After some iterations of my pneumatic engines, I'm proud to announce the absolute state-of-the-art single cylinder with an estimated energy efficiency of 1.4 to 4%, which would be like getting less than 1 mpg in a car. So pretty revolutionary considering electricity is just sitting waiting to be used. But let's start at the beginning. I implemented my idea into CAD with the help of my totally legit plastic pneumatic engine engineer certificate, where I drew lines and circles to create the blueprint for the engine. The tolerances had to be close, but after many sleepless nights, it was time to test the engine. As you can see, the only problem was that its max RPM ended up being only 960. I suspect the reason, aside from its rotational momentum falling off, is because of the multi-piece crank design. On earlier designs, I had the rod pin keyed, also plastic instead of brass, and despite the extra friction I was able to get the plastic pin design up to 2000 RPM. Although for only a brief moment. So what I believe to be happening as the RPM increases, the cam side of the crank twists, retarding the timing of the intake, acting as the world's worst governor. Anyways, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.